Assalamualaikum, miss.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Salam, dear. You know, you all know we are having class at 9. So why do you ask before the time? So many students message me at 8:30, 8:45. Miss, when will you take class? You all know na bete. I start class at 9 a.m. sharp. Exact. Not before that, not after that. If after that, so I'll be giving a note, a reminder to you. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now, Amsal, do recitation, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu alazim, subhanallah, beta, jazakallah khair. Okay. Now I'm starting the today's comprehension. Do you all have the workbook 6 with you?
Yes.
So open page number 4. Page number 4, exercise F. Let me share a screen with you. I did for you, but you have to open the book of yours. Exercise F, workbook 7. Sorry, workbook 6. Exercise F, page number 4. Do this in your workbook, not in the copy. It's written composition used utilized. This one, exercise F. Do in the same manner as I did, bete. With pencil, do in your workbook. Rach, Milan. Rach. The first word is rach. It means cheerless. जो नाखुश होते हैं. Mournful, woeful. Who are showing the sorrow or expressing the condolence to someone. किसी की डेथ पे हम जाते हैं तो we are showing the condolence ना. Mournful, ताजियत करते हैं. Forlorn,
Miss,
ना उम्मीदी. जी बेटे.
Miss, we have to write the words, parts of speech, meaning synonyms like this way.
Yes, bete. Vocabulary has the same manner. Whenever we will do vocabulary, we'll do in the same manner. Words, parts of speech, meaning, and synonym. I'll make you understand as well.
Assalamualaikum, teacher. I have joined late.
कोई बात नहीं.
What we have to do?
We are doing vocabulary page 4 of workbook 6.
Okay. Teacher.
Yes, teacher. You can take a picture as well. Take a screenshot anywhere. Please. I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group as well.
Teacher, page number 4 खोलना है.
Page number 4 of workbook 6. After that, we have to do comprehension, page 17. So quickly do vocabulary, then we have to move on.
मिस आपने अनोट का ऑप्शन ब्लॉक किया हुआ है तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं ले सकता क्योंकि मैं अभी कंप्यूटर पे बैठा हूँ.
Better, you know, my PC display is creating issue. I cannot change any option right now. Because the person did so now, all the setting. I'll be calling person to set out all the things. ठीक है बेटे? So right now take from mobile or somewhere else. Done? Only 4 words. Wretch, mournful, forlorn, and wail. Wail, आहो पुकार करना. वो जो दर्द तो तकलीफ में आप चीखते नहीं है. That is lamenting. Wail, wailing. Forlorn, ना उम्मीदी. Mournful, showing condolence. ताजियत करना, ताजियत. Wretch, cheerless. नाखुश. Done? Shall I move on?
No, miss.
Quickly, bete, quickly, please. Comprehension is too lengthy and of 2 pages.
टीचर आपने ये क्या दिया है? टीचर मैं थोड़ा सा लेट ज्वाइन किया है.
Ji, bete, this is the classwork which we are doing right now in the workbook. Workbook 6, page 4. Do in workbook with pencil.
Okay.
Everyone listen it carefully. Do with pencil. I told so many times, don't use marker, don't use color pens, don't make anything colorful. It's not the drawing copy. I want a formal work and very tidy work. So avoid coloring, avoid doing anything, any sketching in that. It's not the drawing copy. It's your English notebook, English workbook. Even marker भी आप tempo का use नहीं करेंगे. You should not use it. Yes, done it. Let me check attendance. Abdullah Danish, please open video. Amna, Abdullah Farhan, Aryan, Rafi. Otherwise, I'm removing all the students. What are you doing right now? Show me the copy and book in your hand.
Miss, please show again.
Ji, Aryan, Amna, Abdullah Danish. Wait, daily I can't give invitation to all of you, na? Open video. Be attentive. You should open by yourself, quickly. Amna, I'm removing, I'm telling it to you. I want workbook in everyone's hand. Show me that you are working right now.
Miss, please show again.
I will let them open camera. Amna, after 2 minutes, I will remove you. Now,
Miss,
complete, you have to do comprehension.
Miss, can you tell me because I have joined late?
This is the classwork which we are doing, bete. Workbook 6, exercise F, page 4 in the workbook with pencil. The first vocabulary mean wretch, W-R-E-T-C-H-E-D, cheerless, nakhush, mournful, showing condolence, ताज़ियत करना, forlorn, ना उम्मीदी, wailing, lamenting, आओ बुका करना, दर्द में चीखना.
Miss,
जी.
Miss, वैसे ही देखिए मैं ये वाली करना है, ऐसे करना है.
बेटे वर्कबुक 6 में करना है आपको.
ये वाला.
एक्सरसाइज F.
Miss, हम इसमें लिखेंगे सब कुछ.
Let me check your video first. Now wait, traffic. जी बेटे. Here you have to do. Make columns and start doing it. Quickly. जल्दी से करें बेटे. We don't have time. We have to move on. Comprehension we have to do, and it's very lengthy. This you can find by yourself. Write only words. Find things by yourself. The vocabulary parts of speech meaning you can find by yourself as well from dictionary. So only write words quickly, quickly. Raj, mournful, forlorn, and wail. I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group as well. Teacher WhatsApp
यार
group.
मैं कॉपी में काम करना है.
No, in the workbook. Please, bete, we have very short time. We have to finish comprehension. I'll be sharing the picture through WhatsApp group. Now I'm starting the comprehension, page 17 of workbook. Workbook 6. Are you all able to look at it?
Yes. Yes.
Now look at that. One fine day, a wealthy man drove out of the great big city in which he lived. He was speeding along into the countryside in his shiny new sports car. Who was going, who went out, who drove out from the great big city? A wealthy man. Wealthy means a rich man. बहुत अमीर शख्स. Now he was speeding along into the countryside. Where was he going? He was moving from the city in his beautiful, shiny, new sports car, whistling many tune and waving at people showing hands and waving, toiling in the field. The man was very happy for he had lots of money. The person was too happy. बहुत खुश क्यों था? क्योंकि उसके पास बहुत पैसा था. And he does not care for it. And not a care in the world. कोई उसको कुछ दुनिया का ख्याल नहीं था. Soon the rich man came to a bridge. कहाँ पहुंचा वो? Bridge पे. Which crossed a dry river. The bridge was crossing a dry river. The riverbed was quite dry, except for a few brown pools of muddy water. So few places which was muddy water and that was not dry. The rich man slowed down and stopped his car just before the bridge. उसने पुल से पहले अपनी कार हल्की की और then he stopped the car over there. He got out of his car and stood beside the bridge. वो अपनी कार से निकला और कहाँ खड़ा हो गया? Beside the bridge के सामने. He looked out into the distance and saw a farmer leading a horse along the sandy bed. So क्या देखा उसने? थोड़ा दूर एक किसान farmer एक horse को lead कर रहा है sandy bed पे, यानी उसको guide कर रहा है. As the farmer and his horse came closer, जैसे ही किसान और उसके करीब आए, the rich man saw that the horse was indeed quite a fine-looking animal. So उसको अच्छा लगा. Horse. It was looking very nice, fine-looking animal to the rich man. When the farmer and his horse came right up to the bridge, the man shouted. So the rich man shouted, I say hello. The rich man stopped the man, the farmer. Hello, that's fine-looking horse you have got there. तुम्हारा घोड़ा तो बहुत अच्छा है. Which you have. The farmer made no reply but merely nodded and went on his way. किसान ने कोई उसको आंसर नहीं किया, but he nodded. उसने सर हिलाया. And then move on his way. वो अपनी राह चल पड़ा. The rich man raced across the road and waited for the farmer and horse to appear on the other side. उसने गाड़ी भगाई and he waited the farmer over there to appear on the next side. When they emerged, he shouted. Again, जब वो दोबारा मिले, he shouted, wait a minute. रुकिए एक मिनट. I think your horse looks very good. आपका घोड़ा बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. I would like to buy it. मैं इसको खरीदना चाहूंगा. Will you sell it? क्या आप सेल करेंगे? What would you say to 10,000 rupees? 10,000 में क्या कहना है आपका? The farmer stopped and so did the horse. ऐसे किसान रुका, घोड़ा भी रुक गया. He looked up at the rich man and replied. उसने अमीर आदमी को देखा and reply किया. She doesn't look good and she does not for sale. क्या कहा किसान ने? ये अच्छी नहीं दिखती और ये बेचने के लिए नहीं है. The first page number 17 I ended. Now I'm moving page number 18.
मैंने 4 मिनट क्लास लेट की.
I'm moving to page number
पूरी
18. Betty, please stop speaking right now.
मैं सुन रहा स्टोरी अब मैं आपसे
We have started the comprehension. Now I will not repeat it. Mark it. Why are you joining too late? If we get time, so at the end we will review it. Okay. Now, the farmer replied, this is not good and it is not for sale, to the rich man. Oh, come on. उसने कहा, अरे छोड़ो, rich man. Pleaded the rich man, surely you will sell her for 80,000. उसने कहा, यकीनन तुम इसको 80,000 में तो 80,000 में सेल कर दोगे. Keep your money, said the man. मैंने कहा ना, अपने पैसे अपने पास रखो, ये बेचने के लिए नहीं है. She is not for sale. But the horse looks fine, insisted the rich man. Again वो insist कर रहा था उसको बहुत. Now he increased the amount more. मैं तुम्हें I will give you 90,000 for her. मैं तुम्हें 90,000 दूंगा इसके. Well, replied the farmer, I'm telling you she does not look good, but if you want her so much and you are prepared to pay 90,000, she is yours. मैं तुम्हें बता चुका हूँ कि ये बेचने के लिए नहीं है और ये अच्छा नहीं दिखता. लेकिन अगर तुम बहुत इंसिस्ट कर रहे हो और तुम तैयार हो इसको 90,000 में खरीदने के लिए तो ये तुम्हारी है। किसने कहा? किसान ने कहा। The rich man arranged for the horse to be brought to his house. उसने arrange किया and then he bring the horse to the city next day. He paid the farmer some of the money and promised to give him the rest when the horse was delivered. उसने कुछ फार्मर को दे दिया और उससे वादा किया कि जब तुम मुझे घोड़ी दे दोगे तो मैं तुम्हें रिमेनिंग अमाउंट दे दूंगा। The rest of the amount he will give. Now, rich man बहुत खुश था, happy with the deal, क्योंकि उसकी डील हो गई थी, it was just completed. He turned to his car and drove away. अपनी गाड़ी की तरफ मुड़ा और move on now. अपने रास्ते चल पड़ा। The following day, the farmer arrived at the rich man's house. The next day, किसान उसके घर पे आया। Here is the horse, sir. ये रही आपकी घोड़ी, लीजिए। He handed over the horse to her new owner. उसके हाथ में दिया। The rich man looked very pleased and gave the farmer the rest of the money. बहुत खुश हुआ अमीर आदमी और उसने उसको बकाया अमाउंट दे दिया। Yes, that certainly is a fine looking animal you have sold me. तुमने मुझे बहुत अच्छा जानवर दिया। Said the rich man as he inspected his purchase more carefully. जब उसने बहुत अच्छे से देखा, उसको इंस्पेक्ट किया, इंक्वायर किया, so he was very happy still. He looked admiringly at the fine features of the horse and then quite suddenly he turned to the farmer and shouted. अचानक से उसने जब उसके सारे फीचर्स को देखा तो किसान की तरफ देख के शाउट किया, Why, this horse is quite blind. ये घोड़ी तो अंधी है। The farmer patted the horse back and carefully placed the money he had just received into his pocket. Farmer ने horse को पैक यानी उसी घोड़े के पीछे बैग में पैक किया and then he placed the money. उसने सारा अमाउंट जो उसने पॉकेट में रखा था अपने पैसे वो वापस दे दिए। He looked at the rich man and said calmly, sir. उसने अमीर आदमी की तरफ देखा और आराम से उससे कहा, सर मैंने तो आपसे कहा था, I told you the horse did not look good, didn't I? क्या मैंने नहीं कहा था? This is the complete comprehension. Now the question answer is your assignment you will do by yourself. Exercise 2:1, the comprehension I had explained you. Fine. Now the exercise 2. Why was the man happy? Where did the man stop? What were the first words the farmer spoke to the man? Why did the farmer sell the horse? Why did the man say when he discovered the horse was blind? What did the farmer mean by the words didn't look good? So you have to do all these question answer. Then exercise 3. Find synonym of these words. Good. Good mean well. W-E-L-L. You can do this right now with me. Exercise 3. Good. Synonym is W-E-L-L, well. Willing. Wanting to do something. Working. Doing. Rich. Wealthy. Happy. Glad. Appear. Arrived. I hope you understood this comprehension. Now please tell me, did you understand that? G. Speak up, Amsal. If you still did not understand anything, ask the question, please.
Miss
जी, Amsal बेटे।
willing, happy, appear और working का
Again, I'm repeating exercise 3. Listen it carefully. Good. W-E-L-L, well. Willing, wanting. W-A-N-T-I-N-G. Working, doing. D-O-I-N-G. Rich, wealthy, Amir. Happy, khush, glad. G-L-A-D. Glad. Appeared, arrived. A-R-R-I-V-E-D. Arrived. Question answer is your homework. And this exercise 4 is also your homework. You have to find statement, command, exclamation, and question from the comprehension. And question answer. 2 things you will do by yourself. Ji Fatma, beta, you are raising hand. Please ask the question, beta.
Miss, can you please repeat the last question?
The last question of the comprehension. But it's mentioned in the book 6, workbook 6. Look at that. You don't have workbook 6?
Yes, I have.
So here you have to do na bete. What did the farmer mean by the words didn't look good? किसान का क्या मतलब था जब उसने कहा did not look good? इसका मतलब था कि उसने बता दिया था. He was telling to the rich man. जी बेटे. Aryan, you wish to add something?
टीचर आप फर्स्ट वाला गुड का बता सकते हैं?
Good, WELL. Good माने अच्छा. जी बेटे वानिया. जी बेटे अरियान. अरियान, ask the question बेटे.
मिस, आपने जो कल करवाया था एक्सरसाइज नंबर नहीं 12 पेज नंबर, तो उसका मैं लैब की क्लास नहीं ली थी, लेकिन वो मैंने कर लिया लेकिन मेरे एफ जी और जे नहीं आ रहा.
आपको नहीं आ रहा. पेज नंबर 12. Okay. The giggling stop abruptly. This one. जी वानिया बेटे. The giggling is subject, stop abruptly is predicate. G. For a while, V is subject, sat in silence is predicate. और which one बेटे? और कौन सा नहीं आ रहा वानिया बेटे? We don't have electricity and my internet is also slow today. Slow because daily I don't have electricity in the morning. Yes, bete, do let me know if you did not understand anything. Asghar, Abdullah Farhan, Sayyid Rahim, Mubashir, Anaya, Saad Masood, Raja, Aryan, please open video. Otherwise, I'm removing you. I will not add you next time in the class. Because the classwork you don't do during the class time. You never show copy, never show things to me. Only Aryan did so. Most of time the camera is closed. But listen it now. Be attentive. Now Abhiya Imran ask the question. पूछें बेटे.
Said about the score. So, teacher, I have asked my parents by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow, I will submit the year 5 score at the school gate.
Okay, thank you, bete. Submit on Monday to me. Monday I'll be coming na, bete. I will also visit. So submit on Monday. Okay? Don't go today or tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Please visit on Monday. Thank you, Abhiya,
Okay.
bete. Jazakallah khair. Ji, anyone else, bete? Amna? Rija, please open video. Yusra, bete, you don't complete work as well, Yusra. And you never show video as well, bete. What is this? You're not completing the workbook as well. We have done so much syllabus. Please ask the question if you did not understand. I already had shared complete picture in WhatsApp group. If still you wish to ask anything, please ask it. Ji beta, do you wish to ask anything? Bete, am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Please let me know. Do you wish to ask any question, any problem? You know, the video is stuck over here and most of the video is not coming. Ji, dear students, do you wish to ask any question? Ji, Padma, you wish to ask something?
Miss.
The topic is clear, the comprehension is clear to all of you. The vocabulary, all words are clear.
Yes.
Yusra, bete,
Yes.
open the video and do let me know, bete. Kindly make index. The copy should be neat and tidy. Do create index whenever we are doing any work in copy, in workbook. Please. Okay. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone. As my internet is creating the issue, I'm not able to continue it more. My data is about to end, my dear. I'm connected through mobile data. Okay, Allah Hafiz, everyone. Join the next class after 2 minutes. Allah Hafiz.